With Aam Aadmi Party leaders flocking to Punjab as the Assembly poll campaign heats up, the ruling Congress has now decided to bring the fight to its rival's home turf, Delhi. In a tit-for-tat move, Punjab Congress chief Navjot Singh Sidhu today joined a dharna by guest teachers outside Delhi Chief Minister and AAP convener Arvind Kejriwal's residence in demand of regularization. In visuals from the protest site, Mr. Sidhu can be seen raising slogans along with the protesting teachers. He also took to Twitter to target the Delhi government on its education model, which the AAP is showcasing as its key achievement in the Punjab poll campaign. Taking a swipe, the Punjab Congress chief said the Delhi education model is a contract model and that under the AAP government, unemployment rate in Delhi has increased by almost 5 times over the past 5 years. Moving on to the next news, over 52% of Rajya Sabha's scheduled sitting time last week was lost to disruptors and protests, but high productivity on Thursday and Friday held out hope of a return to normal functioning. Opposition MPs have been protesting over several issues, among them the suspension of 12 upper house members for ruckus on the last day of the monsoon session. Productivity of the House during the last week has been 47.70% of the scheduled time, a release said. It said the House sat for 33 minutes beyond the scheduled time on Thursday, raising overall productivity for the week to 49.70%. Thursday and Friday reported the highest productivity for the week at 95% and 100% respectively. Moving on to the next news, a 37-year-old man who arrived in Delhi from Tanzania and was admitted to Loknayak Jayaprakash Hospital was today found positive with the new COVID variant Omicron, taking the total number of such cases in country to 5. The patient has mild symptoms and he had taken both doses of the vaccine. News agency quoted Dr. Suresh Kumar, medical director of LNJP Hospital, as saying, 12 samples had been sent to the National Center for Disease Control. One was found carrying the Omicron variant. The patient is an Indian and had returned from Tanzania a few days back, news agency PTI said, quoting an unnamed official. Moving on to the next news, Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut on Sunday claimed West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee was contemplating an alliance excluding the Congress. Mr. Raut, in his weekly column Rok Thok in the Sena mouthpiece Samna, also claimed that Ms. Banerjee having said that her party Trinamool Congress will not test political waters in Maharashtra. Mr. Raut, whose party shares power with the NCP and Congress in Maharashtra, on Sunday claimed it looks like Banerjee is contemplating something new, excluding the Congress. He also claimed that during her meeting with Shiv Sena leader and State Minister Aditya Thackeray a few days back, she told the latter that we will not come here as the Shiv Sena and the NCP are strong. Moving on to the next news, the government of India will soon take a decision on Tesla's proposal to cut import duties on electric vehicles ahead of its entry into the Indian car market. The EV maker's proposal for duty cut is under evaluation and a decision will be taken shortly, said Niti Aayog CEO Amitabh Kant. He said that the final decision will be taken by the Finance Ministry's Revenue Department. As reported by ET Auto, the centre is currently discussing a temporary reduction in import duties tentatively for 3 years, but Tesla has to submit firm business plans for the same. The Ministry of Heavy Industries and Ministry of Finance earlier had asked Tesla to increase localization and share ramp-up plans along with considering local assembly of cars before seeking any relief from the government.